Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar dropped 0.7% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.1% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The gold fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Manufacturing growth is slowing worldwide as China's COVID-19 curbs and Russia's invasion of Ukraine disrupt supply chains and keep inflation at the highest in years, while the growing risk of a US recession poses a new threat to the global economy. Cristiano Ronaldo, one of football's biggest stars, has inked a sponsorship deal with crypto exchange Binance, becoming the latest celebrity to strike a lucrative partnership with a digital asset firm, despite the crisis gripping the sector. The euro fell across the board as weaker than expected German and French PMI data confirmed that the Eurozone economy is struggling to gain traction, prompting traders to trim bets on big interest rate hikes from the European Central Bank.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's CFTC JPY-NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. The US new home sales at 1400 hours GMT. The UK's retail sales at 0600 hours GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment at 0800 hours GMT. Germany's IFO business climate at 0800 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.